Are you a beginner woodworker looking to master the table saw? Or perhaps you're a seasoned pro seeking to enhance your safety practices and efficiency? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common mistakes to avoid when using a table saw. From safety precautions to setup tips and essential accessories, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and ensure your table saw experience is both productive and injury-free. Neglecting safety precautions. Neglecting safety precautions is a grave mistake that can lead to severe injuries. Table saws are powerful tools that demand respect and caution. Simple measures like wearing safety glasses, hearing protection, and avoiding loose clothing can prevent accidents. Additionally, using push sticks or feather boards to guide the wood instead of hands is crucial for maintaining a safe distance from the blade. A clutter-free workspace reduces the risk of tripping and allows for better focus on the task at hand. Improper setup. Proper setup is fundamental for safe and accurate cutting. This includes aligning the saw blade parallel to the miter slot and adjusting the fence to ensure it's parallel to the blade. Incorrect alignment can cause binding, kickback, and inaccurate cuts. Furthermore, adjusting the blade height is essential. It should protrude just above the material being cut to reduce the risk of kickback and ensure clean cuts. Using dull blades. Dull blades not only compromise the quality of cuts but also increase the likelihood of accidents. A dull blade requires more force to cut through wood, increasing the risk of kickback. Regular inspection and maintenance of blades are imperative. Woodworkers should invest in high-quality blades and replace them promptly when they show signs of wear. Standing in the kickback zone. The kickback zone, located behind the blade, is one of the most dangerous areas when operating a table saw. Standing directly in this zone puts the operator at high risk of injury if kickback occurs. Woodworkers should position themselves to the side of the blade and slightly behind the workpiece to minimize the risk. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance safety in the workshop. Ignoring kickback prevention devices. Table saws are equipped with safety features like splitters, riving knives, and blade guards designed to prevent kickback. However, some woodworkers may overlook or remove these devices, compromising safety. Splitters and riving knives prevent the wood from pinching the blade, reducing the likelihood of kickback. Blade guards provide an additional layer of protection by covering the blade during cutting operations. Woodworkers should always keep these safety devices in place and properly adjusted. Inadequate material support. Insufficient support for workpieces during cutting can lead to instability and dangerous kickback situations. Woodworkers should use outfeed and infeed support devices such as roller stands, tables, or sawhorses to stabilize long or heavy materials. Proper support ensures smooth and controlled feeding of the workpiece through the blade, reducing the risk of accidents. Overlooking electrical safety. Electrical safety is paramount when operating power tools like table saws. Inspecting power cords for damage, using grounded outlets, and avoiding overloading circuits are essential practices. Ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, should be installed to protect against electrical shocks. Woodworkers should also unplug the saw before performing maintenance or blade changes to prevent accidental starts. Rushing through cuts. Rushing through cuts compromises accuracy and safety. Taking the time to measure twice and cut once is a golden rule in woodworking. Woodworkers should resist the temptation to hurry through tasks, as haste often leads to mistakes and accidents. Patient, deliberate movements ensure precise cuts and minimize the risk of injury. Lack of training and experience. Operating a table saw without proper training and experience is a recipe for disaster. Woodworkers should seek comprehensive training on the safe operation of table saws, including proper setup, use of safety devices, and emergency procedures. Practical experience under the guidance of an experienced mentor can further enhance skills and instill good safety habits. Continuous learning and skill development are essential for safe and proficient table saw operation. By avoiding these common table saw mistakes and implementing proper safety measures, you can enjoy a safer and more efficient woodworking experience. Remember to always prioritize safety, invest in quality equipment and accessories, and continuously improve your skills for optimal results.